What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Starscream from the Transformers. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and work our way around the inside of the helmet. We're going to start right in the middle with a straight line going across. And then from the ends, angle this up and out towards the top. Let's go straight across the top towards the side. And it'll come straight down. Let's work our way down towards the jaw. Come down and in with a straight line. And it will come straight down towards the bottom. Let's add a bevel along the outside. So from the bottom, angle this up and in with a short line. Now it's going to trace this back up towards the top. Now from the outside, it's going to curve the bottom of the eye. We're going to come down and just pull that up towards that inside corner. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve for the chin, coming down and then up. Let's go to the bottom of each eye and add a curve, come down and just bend that in towards the chin. And then along the bottom, it's going to shift the mouth up on the right. So let's start on the left side, then this across, and then up higher on the right side. Go back to the left, curve down towards the bottom of the mouth, and then back up. Let's separate the teeth, starting in the middle with a straight angled line. Go out to the side and add one more. Now from the bottom corner, it's going to curve the helmet, going out and then up towards the side of the head. And then from here, draw a straight line going up, just lining up with that top edge. And then from here, it's going to bend this up and then in towards the top of the head. Just line that up on the right side. Let's flatten off the top with a straight line. Come down and in with a short angled line. And it'll flatten off the center. Now from these 2 points, we're just going to curve this out and then down toward the top corner of the eye. Move up to the top and draw that same curve. Now in the center of the head, let's add a curve going up and then down. Step in, draw 2 straight angle lines going up, and add a curve across the top. Let's fill this area in black. Now from the top corners, we're going to follow that same curve going up and in, round up the top, and then from the ends, angle this down and out towards the side. Let's add those vents on the side of the head. We're going to start from the top, angle this down and out. Let's round this out along the side, coming around and then in. Angle this down and in towards the side of the head. Let's go back up to the top. Just going to curve this up and then in. Now we're going to add some lines inside that vent. Start from the top, come straight in, step down, just work our way all the way down towards the bottom. Now let's go back to the eyes. We're just going to add the eyelid. From this point, we're just going to curve this up and then out towards the top. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on that centerpiece across the body. We start over on the left side, come down, and then bend that in towards the middle. Go to the right, come down, and then in. Let's add some trims across the center. Start from the top, bend this down and up, step down, and draw that again. Let's go halfway down, draw a straight line going out towards the side, and pull that straight up underneath the head. Let's add a couple lines across the bottom, stepping up, draw one line, and then draw two. And then in this area, we're going to draw a small square. Start across the bottom, go up the sides, and then close this off. Now from the bottom point, draw a straight line going across, angle this up and out towards the hip, and then draw a straight line going out. Let's come down the side with a straight line, angle this down and then in, come down and in towards the bottom, and we'll close this off. Now in between the upper and lower torso, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down. Now let's go to the bottom corner of the lower torso, angle the leg coming down and out towards the knee, and then come straight down towards the heel. Let's flatten off the bottom of the feet with a straight line going all the way out towards the outside of the feet. Now from the outside, we're going to go up, and we want to add a block. Come straight in, and then come straight down. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's go to the top corner of the foot, angle this up and in. Come straight in. Come down towards the bottom. And pull that in towards the inside of the leg. Let's connect these 2 points with a straight angled line. Let's go to the top of the foot and draw a straight line going up towards the knee. Go to the inside, draw the same length line, and then close off the top. And then from here, it's going to curve the leg coming down and then in towards the inside of the knee. Let's add a small detail across the ankle. We go up, across, and then down. Now we're going up to the hip, draw a straight angled line coming down on top of the knee. Let's go back to this point, draw that same angled line. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the shoulders. Let's start from the top of the body, angle this up and out on either side. And we're going to add a block, coming down. And we'll draw that same angled line coming down and in towards the side of the body. From the inside of the shoulder, let's bend the arm, coming out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, curve this down and up around that bracket, come down towards the side, add a second finger, and then the 3rd finger going out and up towards the wrist. Let's connect the wrist with a straight angled line. And then we'll add a block across the forearm. We'll go up with an angled line, flatten off the top. From the outside of the arm, let's step in, curve this out, and then down. Let's place the wings in behind the body. We're going to start from the jaw, draw a straight angled line going up and out on either side. Out and up towards the tip of the wing. Let's come straight down towards the bottom of the wing, right about there. And we'll angle this down and in towards the hip, come in behind the arm, and then down towards the hip. Let's add a trim across the bottom. From this point, we're going to step up, just follow that line, coming down in behind the body. Let's go up the side with a short line. I'm going to follow that same angled line coming down and behind the arm and the body. And then we'll layer the jets in behind the wing and the head. Start in between, draw a straight line coming down on either side. Let's continue that line across the top. Just going to round out the top coming in towards the head. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Starscream from the Transformers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to leave a request, just drop it in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.